people, welcome to Bomb Kids TV. So today's video is going to be over this Kinky natural super black girl friendly unit from Nadula Hair. Nadula, thank you so much for sending over this wig. I've had a lot of kinky units, but this one takes the cake, I believe. I think this one takes the cake. So as you guys can see, it curled really easily. I did this with a flat iron in like 10 minutes. The curling part was super quick, super easy. And I bleached the knots for like 20 minutes. It was already pre-plucked. I plucked a little bit, maybe for like 2 seconds, but no method to my madness. I literally was just plucking. And yeah, I feel like it melted very easily. This is glueless, so you guys will see in a second. There's an adjustable strap that you can adjust to the tightness of your head to kind of make sure that it's more snug. And if you want a little extra security, if you have some spritz or got to be, you can spritz that down and then tie it with the headband, the lace band that comes with your wig, just for a little extra security, which is what I did because why not? You know, so it's still good to go, but if I wanted to yank it off right now, I could, because it's just hairspray. It's not glue or anything, so it is glueless. This is what it looks like. This is the style I chose. Super cute, super fun. 2 pigtails, which is still like a half up, half down type of deal. I am going to take it down so you guys can still see what it looks like down. To me, it's giving super natural. It looks like I just got a blowout. Like my hair is natural and I got a blowout. So this is the hair down. Isn't it pretty? And then if you wanted to wear it up in a ponytail, you could. If you wanted to do straight half up, half down like that, you could. I will throw it up in a ponytail real quick just so you guys can see. If you want to give like I have healthy hair, but I still have long hair, then this is the unit for you. Like I'm a natural girl. Like this is so freaking cute. You know what I mean? And just boom. So very versatile. It's not a 360, but it did have lace in the back that you could cut to like make it look more natural. But yeah, you can do you a little top knot, just swing it around, boom, you got a bun. I just showed y'all like 3 styles in less than 5 minutes. Don't play with it, okay? But no, for real, Nadula, thank you so much for sending over this wig. If you guys have any more wigs coming up in your close nearby campaign, make sure you shoot me an email because I'll be more than happy to work with you guys again. I love the low maintenance, easy, fresh out the box type of wigs. I'm not some guru. I do it for the beginner friendly gals. So I really appreciate when you send me something that's truly beginner friendly. So anyways, if you'd like to see how we melted this glueless lace and did our pigtail style, then just keep on watching.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails, like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in, I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down, and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Way you looky lost, I know you got 'em feeling sicko. them Billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that center. I hit it to you tense, come back down to keep it real. So good, I lock it down, I got a crystal for that finger. Got them bitches living, but that shit ain't no thing, cause I mean it when I say I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down.